Hey, YouTube people. How's it going? You can only see one of my eyes right now. Let's just take this off. There we go, and I can kind of see me. This is a bit of a weird video. Super weird video. It's like midnight, past midnight. Just finished watching, this is really weird. Here we go. Just finished watching a movie. Can you guys kind of see me? Whatever. Just finished watching a movie, and crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Let's do this. There we go. Let's just do like that. Crazy stuff. Had just the wildest thought right now, and it's still a bit of a mind blower when it comes to listening comprehension, especially when you are like an intermediate, low intermediate, maybe even upper intermediate, heck, maybe even advanced beginner. I think a big mistake we make, myself included, until like as I was driving home, I'm tired, holy man. A big mistake people make is they listen for meaning, I think, and they don't listen to the sounds. Like, for example, there's a bunch of songs on my phone, wherever my phone went, I don't know, it's in my hand. How silly is that? There's some songs on my phone in Mandarin, right? And I'm listening to these songs as I've listened to these songs hundreds of times, okay? And I'm driving home, going like, I don't know anything they're saying. I don't understand a word. And I was thinking to myself, man, I need to look up some of these lyrics. That was a thought that occurred to my mind, that I need to research some of these song lyrics so I finally just understand what's going on. And then I thought to myself, you know what, Azren, let's just like listen to the music and let's just enjoy. Let's just listen to the sounds of the music. Let's just listen to what they're saying. And I completely just let go of meaning, and I just focused on what sounds are people saying. What are they saying? Let's just listen to the music, listen to the beats. Let's just really get into this. And the strangest thing happened. The strange thing that happened is that suddenly I was like, wow, I'm actually understanding from 0% or like 5% all the way up to like 40, 50% of a lot of these songs. And I was like, whoa. And I tested that with a few songs, about 2 different songs. And again, it's not like I'm understanding 100%, nowhere near 100%. But it's crazy that just by switching the focus to, I just want to listen to the sounds and listen to what's coming out of their mouths and not listen for the meaning and recognizing words. For some reason, that like made an unlock in my brain, and it helped me to it really helped what the singers were actually saying sink in. And because the sound synced into my brain figured out, oh, that sound matches this word, versus before I was like listening and trying to just immediately jump to the word, or I don't know what I was trying to do. Like, I was listening so carefully, but I'm listening for meaning and not listening to the sounds. And this occurred to me as I was driving, that heck, maybe we need to start listening for the sounds, and that will then lead to understanding the meaning. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's something that'll work for everyone. It's literally something right now, 5 minutes ago, I'm past midnight here in my city after I watched a movie, The Ant-Man and the Wasp, which is not the most fantastic of movies, to be perfectly honest, but whatever, it is what it is. Yeah, just a random little thing that occurred to me. So, yeah, I just thought I'd just quickly pull out the phone and make a very fast video. And I would be curious if anyone else has noticed anything at all in regards to this topic, in regards to if listening to sounds and not listening for meaning when people are speaking or singing or whatever, if that actually does help, or if like there's a scientific reasoning behind it, or if randomly, just because it's 12 o'clock and my brain's kind of tired, I'm like, I just stumbled onto something. Like, I don't know, I have no idea, but I would be interested to hear your thoughts in the comments below if you do have any thoughts on this topic. So anyway, time to go home. So peace out, guys. See ya. Awful lighting, eh? Bye.